All right, let us balance this one. We have silicon chloride plus water to give us that foreign compound plus HCl. So, to do this, to balance this equation, the silicon already looks happy, so that's good. The chlorine on one side is 4, that's Cl4. So maybe I'm going to need to put a 4 here. Okay, the battery is low. I get it. I get it. So if I put a 4 here, that should balance my chlorine, right? Yeah, it should. It should. I get it. The battery's low. I get it. Yeah, so this balances my chlorine for me. What else? Are we done? Oh, oxygen is 4 here, so I think a 4 here might be nice. And that should balance the oxygen and it makes the hydrogen 8. Besides, I mean, dropping this 4 here immediately to balance the chlorine would mean that hydrogen is now 4 plus 4, 8. So definitely you want to place this 4 on this side as well to make that 8. And that will just automatically balance my oxygen for me as 4, which is what I like. And I think everything is looking good. So that's it. That's it. So before my battery runs out completely, let me just tell you guys that on our website, which is copychemistry.com, on the front page, if you go there, you'd see the uh, resource for learning stoichiometry. So if you have been struggling with converting mass to moles, concentration, volume, and all those other Avogadro's number and all those other things, just go to the website, download the material is on the front page there, just download it and then start practicing. You'll see questions like this and then you'll see the video solutions as well if you can't solve them. Okay, so I believe that should help you with your stoichiometry. And then you can share it with your friends. You don't have to sign up for anything. It's just available there. Just click it and download and then start practicing, right? So that's I guess that's like my gift to you. All right. So once again, that's copychemistry.com and you can access that. And of course, if there's any part of this explanation that you did not get or you want to ask me any question, you can always find me on the website as well. Or any other tutor can also explain it to you. We have amazing tutors. All right. So I guess I'll see you on the next question. Take care, guys.